Here I have OPPO Reno 6 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to update apps on this device. So firstly, you have to open Play Store, then you have to tap here, go to the Manage Apps and Device, Updates Available, and here you can see all of your unupdated apps. You can update them one by one by tapping this Update button next to them, or you can just update them all at once by tapping Update All button, but it could take some time, so it's for you to decide how you want to update all of these unupdated apps. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.